Every click is a choice. Every connection is a risk. In a world built on data, security is not optional. Welcome to Cybersecurity Fundamentals.
The world went online, banks, lives and dreams. Photos, passwords, private things. From emails to clouds, from phones to cars. Everything connected, near and far. Hackers don't break doors, they break trust. 1 week password systems turn to dust. Cybersecurity was born that day to protect the digital life we live today. It's not just hacking, not just code. It's guarding data on every node. From small mistakes to massive breach, security decides what they can reach. Crowd.
Cybersecurity fundamentals. Know the base, protect the data. Defend the space before you hack or write exploits. Learn how systems guard their eyes. Cybersecurity fundamentals. Day one skill. Think like attackers, defend with will. From passwords to the cloud above. Security's built on awareness and love.
Confidentiality, keep secrets locked. Only the right eyes get the docs. Encryption hides, data tight. Plain text gone, cipher in sight. Integrity, data stays clean, no silent edits, no unseen schemes. Hashes check if files were changed. 1 bit flip, alarm arranged. Availability systems must stay live. Even during attacks, they must survive. DDoS hits hard, servers bend. Redundancy helps systems defend. That's the triangle, simple, strong. Every security move comes from this song.
Passion, email, stress, so need. Fake links aiming for your seed. Malware hiding in free downloads. Trojan smiles, payload explodes. Ransomware locks your files tight. Pay or lose your digital life. Insider threats from trusted hands. Biggest bridges, internal plans. Weak passwords reused again. Same mistake, different domain. Social engineering plays the mind. Hackers hack people, system follow behind.
Strong passwords, MFA on. 1 factor's weak, 2 are strong. Firewalls filter traffic flow, allowed, denied, yes or no. Antivirus watches every file, behavior-based, smarter style. Updates, patch holes in code. Old software is a hacker's road. Backups ready, offline too. When systems fall, you still pull through. Logs tell stories, alerts speak. Security listens every week.
Cybersecurity isn't fear, it's awareness. It's not about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. Cybersecurity fundamentals. Learn it first, before the tools, before the thirst. Strong foundation, clear insight. That's how defenders win the fight. Cybersecurity fundamentals. Daily grind. Protect the systems, protect the mind. If data matters, if trust is real, security is the ultimate shield. Claw down.
You don't need to be a hacker to practice cybersecurity. You just need to care about what you protect.